YouTube. Mr. Pitlows. Carlos, look at him over here. Got a clean RIAARIO carbon fiber truck. Brand new. Never ran or nothing. He hasn't even turned it on. We're over here at the skate park like I told y'all. You know, we out here. This is the time to come because, you know, we want the whole shit to ourselves. We don't want to interfere with the Timmy Tommies out here, so we wait till they leave, then we come use the skate park just in case some people get mad and say we're not supposed to be here with the cars. I mean, I don't know the rules, but this shit's clean. Check it out. We're gonna be driving in a second. He's gonna be breaking it in with the stock battery, tuning the control, the gyro, all that. It's just clean though. We out here, we out here. They driving the little car. Where the little car's at? That shit bright. That shit is bright. I don't know how the quality of the video is. My bad if it sucks. I'm on an iPhone. Usually it's clear in day, but I never really took night videos. I probably got to change the setting. Oh, these niggas always hitting each other. His foot.
I flipped him. I'm trying to push him over.
Well, that was clean.
I made it up.
Oh, land it. Oh, he landed it. We got that. Oh. I think we got two crashes. Or no?
Watch this.
He's never drove his car at the skate park.
Oh, I made it.
Oh, that was clean. Hit that again, Carlos. Come back this way. Right here. Oh, yeah, that was clean.
Oh.
Was that your new battery or that's your old battery?
Oh.
How much milliamp is your new one? How much MHA is the new one? Like 2,000 or something? Oh. They're going at it. That was clean. Yeah, that's good. We're good. Use it after when I do mine. My bad, guys. I had that shit on 30 FPS. Now it's on 60. It looks way better. Let me,
Thank you. Here, I get it.
Oh, you good?
My bad if it looked crummy earlier. It was on 30 FPS. Now it's on 60.
Yeah.
I didn't know the first video. I don't really take videos on my phone, so I don't really know. There he comes. Oh, he landed it.
Up there.
Just the big or that, bro. You don't have to hit it like hard. You can go up and stop and drop back down. Right here. Back here. Right here. This one stay right here. Right here. No. Right here. Right there. That's perfect. This one. Right here. There you go. Just stop. Don't hit the wall. But yeah, just hit it and hit the brakes as soon as you hit the jump.
Okay.
All right, go up it.
Hey. I'm trying.
Go ahead. Jump off the corner, off the edge, like off the side so you get some air. Hold on. All right, go ahead. Ah, that was clean. Try it, Chunky. You gotta try it.
Huh?
Jump off the corner.
I might have to climb up there to get on the jump though. I don't think I can get those on myself.
Little bro, he got it.
Right there, I got it.
Like I said, I'm still getting used to this camera on my phone, so my bad if it's not the greatest.
Oh! Hey, up here, it's pretty cool. Ah, I didn't do it.
What, the half pipe?
Yeah.
Here, come on the half pipe, Chunky.
All right. Can I slide down there?
If you want. Jump up there sideways so you can grind. You can grind too, brother.
I was doing that earlier. And we just saying. I flipped.
Yeah, right now I'm on my iPhone 11. Later we'll use his iPhone 16 or 15. It has way better cameras. Oh, he landed it, flipped and landed and went down that ramp. I didn't get it though. I don't think I got it.
No.
That was clean. He jumped off the half pipe, flipped, landed on that ramp and went down there. Landed perfect.
Hey, Carlos. Kick me up. Look at you. Oh. All right, I'm good.
Oh, that nigga went over the rails.
Oh. I landed it. I flipped.
He's like, pick me up, sir.
I'm spinning. I'm gonna sit right here so I don't get hit.
I think it broke.
Why?
It's going one side only.
Oh, let's check it out. Let's take a. He's testing it out. That motherfucker's hella fast. It's hard to keep up with. I didn't know I could put my phone on 4K 60. I'm goofy. My bad. I've been filming on 60 and whatever else, and probably 720. My bad if the video's been shit. Now they're 4K 60. No, I don't really fuck on my phone. That thing sounds gangster. After this, I'm gonna hit some jumps. He's gonna film. Then we're gonna go on the flat surface in the parking lot where it's more lit, where we can get better videos. And we don't have to hit shit. There's jumps and shit right here. We don't have to destroy no one's shit. I'm gonna hit a couple of jumps on my shit after.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you haven't even fucked with the speed either, huh?
Is it fastest right now?
I don't know. I didn't look at it. I didn't really look at the room. Probably not. I don't think so.
Mine turned off.
You're done for it, G.
It died.
We gotta get you another battery.
That was too much for the battery.
Don't have that plug. Because I said if I do change it, I have it at the house, and I have to change it completely. Like it's either run that or run what he got. That's why I'm waiting to order one. And I just eliminate his old one. Period. I don't even need it no more.
Yeah, it won't even really here, bro. Probably on the pavement.
I don't care. Just put him down right here if you don't want to hold him. This whole time I could have been fucking filming 4K. I didn't even fucking do it. It's crazy. Now it's clean. I was wondering, like, what's all that fuzzy shit? It looks good right now. Using natural light, so you don't even need a light.
Whoa! Sick. That's some good with mine too. That was nice. That was hella fun. I did a whole kickflip earlier.
I'm about to jump my shit. Let me see. Let me stop. Yo, Pops.
Oh,
Oh! Here, I got it. Hold on, I got it.
Sheesh.
Come
on now, brother. Nah, I see rear-wheel drive with no tracks. Look how slick this shit is. You got all-wheel drive, nigga.
I
That's a
do
different.
too.
Yeah, both of y'all. I don't. Different story. I got gyro strips and shit. I don't.
Woo. Hit them jumps. Hit them jumps. Hit the jumps right here on this edge. Gain a little bit of speed on that. Sweet.
Let me get up here too.
Nice. Oh, I think I caught that.
He landed it. Oh.
Like that, boy. Cut out the car, though.
Oh.
That was clean. That was clean. I like that. I was trying to land it. I was getting too excited. I haven't put a plastic off my body yet. It still has the original plastic protecting it.
Really?
Yeah, that's yours. Every yacht here, even your little car has it. You have to pull it off.
That's crazy. I didn't even know
I
that.
pulled his off and he fucked it up.
Oh.
Hey, I was trying to grab it by the
Go
wheel.
ahead, man. What you scared for, sir? I'm gonna go up this one over here. I'm gonna show you the other one. Let me see. Where's it at? Oh.
It's right here.
This shit's slippery. I gotta hit it with speed. I might be able to jump over it, but I don't know. You think I can?
Yeah, probably.
So there's a wall right there, I think.
Yeah, there's a wall.
Look,
Heck yeah.
I'm gonna go up here.
That's that wall of death right there.
Yeah, that would kill your stuff.
Take time to get a slick like you said, bro.
You gotta go from down there straight and hit that.
I was struggling to get up there. Mine's all-wheel drive.
It's not even, it's just like something slick. If I had paddle tires, that'd be what I do. These tires are hard. Try to go a quarter. Like that, and you don't get no jump. Jump off the corner.
Oh! Yeah, it's pretty high. Shit! This is a full wheelie.
Grass is getting traction, more traction in the grass than it is up here.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You gonna drive your shit in the grass? Or no?
Yeah, Chunky, can you film? You know how to film?
Yeah, but don't be moving and then zooming out. Your ass be going trying to be too professional, nigga. Fucking that.
Yeah. All right.
Pine cone game.
Well, I need to watch out.
You should see the camera, kid. This shit running fast.
Oh.
Oh, thuggin'. The Willie bar saved the car. Hold on. That was good, see? You got all the bars, so that shit was bad better. Are you filming? Yeah.
I won't get close up. Hold on.
Oh, judge you. Trying to tag me, judge the police. Carlos the police right now. Watch out, cuz. Oh. Get away from me, cuz. That nigga cheating. Oh, you almost got me.
It's a live car seat. It's a live car chase right now.
Take off, niggas right here.
It's a car chase. It's a cop chase. Carlos is on him. Carlos is on him. Oh, make way. Oh, crap.
What was that, the little curve right there?
Oh. Is the cops okay?
What happened? You scratched it? No, you can pull that's plastic.
Is the po okay?
See right here?
Yeah.
That's the plastic bubble and you can pull it off. That's what I said, if you get tires, my side just should raise up higher. Get some big tires. Yeah, he's gonna start. We can sign up for $20 for the pro line. Get me, man. It's like two little dogs chasing each other. Get away. You didn't even fucking speed either, huh?
Oh, you were. Oh.
Got me, nigga. He cheated. I gotta get him now. So hard. He got that all-wheel drive. He can hit a corner on me. I gotta do a full turn to catch that nigga.
Go. I gotta zoom in. You guys see? Oh! Oh!
This nigga's gone. I have to meet him in the middle. I gotta cheat.
Oh, he probably got me ready to flip me over.